Are you struggling to get the most out of your Pinterest profile? Do you feel like you're not getting the results you want no matter how hard you try? Well, you're not alone. But the truth is, optimizing your Pinterest profile doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. In fact, there are 7 simple tips that you can use to improve your profile, increase your visibility, and drive more traffic to your website or blog. And in this video, I'm going to share those tips with you. So let's jump straight into my first tip for optimizing your Pinterest profile for success in 2023. So are you having trouble growing your following and driving traffic to your Pinterest profile? Well, this one simple tip can make a big difference. Include a keyword in your profile title. Your profile title is one of the first things that people see when they land on your profile, and it can have a huge impact on whether they decide to follow you or not. By including a keyword that's relevant to your niche or industry, you can help people understand what your profile is all about and increase your chances of showing up in Pinterest search results with your profile. Think of your profile title as your little elevator pitch. It needs to be clear, concise, and captivating. For example, if you're a food blogger, you might want to include the word recipes in your profile. Healthy recipes for busy moms. Or if you're a business, you could say artisan jewelry handcrafted with love and care. Something like this. Also, did you know that you can't only search for pins and boards, but you can also search for profiles that include specific keywords on Pinterest. So take a few minutes to review your profile title and see if you can include a relevant keyword that will make your profile stand out and attract more followers in your niche. Moving on to the next tip. Did you know that by turning your Pinterest profile into a free business profile, you can access a whole range of tools and features that can help you grow your traffic and income? So let's talk about the top benefits right now. One of the coolest things about having a Pinterest business account is the access to analytics. With Pinterest Analytics, you can track the performance of your pins and see which pins are driving the most engagement. This information is pure gold because it can help you create more targeted and relevant content and optimize your Pinterest strategy for better results. You want to identify your most successful pins and then create more pins around that topic. Second, let's talk about rich pins. When you have a Pinterest business account, you can set up rich pins. These special pins include extra information about your content, such as the pricing of your product descriptions, and even recipe ingredients. And they also help the algorithm understand more about what your pins are all about. If you have no idea how to set up rich pins, check out this video here where I give you all the details on that. And finally, another thing you need to know about a business account is that if you are using Pinterest for business, Pinterest actually says in their terms of service that you need to use a business account. So if you are doing affiliate marketing or you're promoting your products on Pinterest, you really should use one. Otherwise, your account could get shut down or banned. Seriously, it's so important. Now, you can either create a brand new account for your business, or you can turn your existing private account into a business account. And remember, this is free. It's just a couple of clicks. You get all these extra features. Before we move on to the next tip, make sure to check out 20+ free downloads covering everything you need to know about Pinterest and blogging. Click the link in the description box below or the comment section and download your free checklist, cheat sheets, and so much more. Now, if you haven't already claimed your website on Pinterest, then you're missing out. Claiming your website is a huge opportunity to improve your profile and take your Pinterest game to the next level. Here's what you need to know. When you claim your website, Pinterest will know which exact pins are coming from your site. And it will prioritize these pins over other pins you share on your profile. This can help massively increase your views and clicks. You also get specific analytics that show how well your own pins are performing. I want you to create more of what's already working and less of what isn't working, right? Like looking at the data or seeing, oh, this pin is performing so well, I should be creating more about that in other pins and other content. Identifying pins that are driving traffic to your claimed website is going to help you get so much faster results. The next tip I have for you when it comes to improving your Pinterest profile is to use a profile image that has a purpose. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to building your brand on Pinterest. One of the first things people notice when they come across your Pinterest profile is your profile image. That's right. Before they even read your bio or check out your boards, they're looking at your profile picture. So whether you're a blogger, influencer, or business owner, it's really important to make sure your profile image is on point. Basically, it comes down to, should you go with a photo of yourself or a logo? And here are my thoughts. If you're a solopreneur or a small business with a strong personal brand, I recommend you use a photo of yourself. It helps to create a personal connection with your audience. On the other hand, if you're a business or a brand, using a logo can be much more effective. But that's not all. Make sure your profile image is high quality. For example, if you're a food blogger, you might choose an image that features food or cooking utensils. And if you're a fashion influencer, you might choose an image that features clothing or you wearing something cool. And finally, don't forget to keep your profile image consistent across all social media platforms. The next tip on how to optimize your Pinterest profile for more traffic is to add a very specific profile description or bio. Do you want to know the secret to gaining more followers from your Pinterest profile? It all starts with your profile description or bio. Like by adding a specific and attention-grabbing bio, you're attracting the right audience and you're repelling those people who are not for you. Let me walk you through my Pinterest bio formula. This will help you come up with a description that grows your followers and traffic. First, I would start with a clear statement about who you are and what you do. So for example, I'm a blogger who writes about healthy living and fitness. Or we're a small business specializing in handmade candles and artisan home decor. Then share a little bit of personal information that helps your audience connect with you on like a deeper level. For example, I'm a mom of 2 and I know how hard it can be to make time for yourself. Third, highlight the benefit of your content and how it can help your audience. For example, our food delivery service is all about making healthy living easy and accessible for busy people like you. Next, and that's important, use keywords related to your niche or industry to help your profile show up in Pinterest search. For example, I share workout routines, healthy recipes, and tips for staying motivated. Keywords here are workout routines and healthy recipes. And then I would end with a call to action that encourages your audience to follow you or visit your website. For example, follow me for daily inspiration and tips on living your healthiest life. You really don't have to overcomplicate this. Just make sure to get to the point of how you help your audience and what you want them to do next. So for example, check out your pins or your website. My next tip to improve your profile is all about Pinterest boards. Are your Pinterest boards a hot mess? If you're not seeing the traffic you want from your profile, it could be time to reorganize your board. Let me show you how to streamline your content and create a cohesive, visually appealing profile that draws in your ideal audience. With these tips, you'll be on your way to Pinterest success in no time. So there are a few things you can do to optimize your boards on your profile. First, make sure you showcase your most important boards first. For example, if you're a food blogger, you might want to highlight your healthy recipes or quick and easy meal boards. I would also think about what's trending right now. You can reorganize your boards based on what people might be looking for right now, and then next month showcase a different board. Next, consider hiding any irrelevant boards that don't align with your brand or niche. You can do this by turning them into secret boards, which will keep them hidden from your profile, but still allows you to access them and manage them. Just go to your board settings and turn on this button here to hide it from other people. Another important tip is to create new boards that cover the most relevant keywords. This can help your profile show up in Pinterest search results and make it easier for users to find your content. Make sure to use clear descriptive board names and include relevant keywords in the board descriptions. So no flowery words as board titles. Remember, Pinterest is a search engine and board titles are one factor that indicate to the algorithm what your profile is all about. Now moving on to the next tip, which is to focus on your own pins. Like, are you tired of not seeing results on Pinterest even after sharing hundreds of pins? If so, it's time to shift your strategy and start sharing mostly your own content. One major benefit of sharing your own pins is that if you claim your site on Pinterest, the platform will recognize your own pins and give them more reach. This means that your pins will be more likely to show up in search results, home feeds, and other key places on Pinterest, which can help boost your profile and help you gain more followers. It also helps your overall profile because you are then seen as a creator who creates new content consistently, which builds up your profile ranking. Focusing on your own pins can also help you to increase your engagement and signal to Pinterest that you have a great profile. When your pins receive more saves, clicks, and comments, it indicates to Pinterest that your content is high quality. And let's not forget about branding. By focusing on your own pins, you can create a strong brand identity and establish your profile as a trusted source of information in your niche. This can be a game changer for your business and help you stand out from the crowd. Imagine if your profile only includes your pins that are hyper-focused on, for example, gardening. You become the go-to profile for that topic, and users are more likely to follow and engage with you. Now that you've learned how to optimize your profile for success, next I recommend you focus on learning how to create incredible pins that will boost your traffic and income for your business. So make sure to watch this video here where I'll teach you the 5 tips to create Pinterest pins that go viral. Now that was it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Katie and I will see you in my next video.